Alright, so past week was very successful. We hit our targets, double targets, and in some of the cases we hit target on both sides, and we made lots of pips. So if you haven't made good money last week, here's once again. I'm with the upcoming week forecast. So let's go over a surplus Forex weekly forecast for upcoming week of May 04 2020 to May 08 2020. As usual, I'll start with USD index. On a daily time frame, we see that as of now it's falling, and it's below EMA 17, and it's below the trend line, falling down, currently sitting close to 98.6. So as of now, I believe that it'll continue to fall. So all in all, my bias will be that the USD index will be continue to fall, though there's reports and news that USD index might pick up and might touch 100, above 100. So like every week, we'll be open both sides. That's one benefit. On the other hand, I'm contrary. I'm going against what's the news. So this is my take, is that the USD index is yet to fall further. So my bias will be bearish for USD index for the coming week. So on a 4-hour chart, let's go ahead and see. So if it takes 98.81 below, I'll be making my entry. So my expectation is that it'll go back and touch 99.15, come down back and test this 98.67. so below this trend line, falling trend line from here down to here. So if it falls further, I'll make my entry at 98.67, keeping my first target at 98.30 and the second target at 97.87. On the reverse side, if it starts rising, then, and if it tests 99.40, so I'll make the test at 99.43, then I'll make my entry at 99.43, keeping my first target 99.83, second target at 100.24. And that being said, my bias will be bearish for USD index, and I'll accordingly I'll set all my pairs for USD. I'll set all my USD pairs accordingly. So let's go ahead for Euro USD on a daily time frame. I see that this is above the downtrend line. That's broken. It's above the EMA 17, currently sitting close to 109.90. I expect it to keep rising for the euro against the news again. So let's see on 4-hour chart how I've put it. For if it goes above, so this is a good resistance point here, so I'm waiting on this. As of now, it's close to 109.77. So and I know that if it goes above and test a 110.20, then I'll make my entry at 110.30, keeping first target at 110.61 and second target at 111.08 or 111. So that's for the bullish run. If it starts dropping, then and make a test close to 109.30, 109.27, so I'll make my entry at 109.27, keeping my first target at 109 and second target at 108.66. That's for Euro USD. On for GBPUSD on a daily time frame, we see that the price is rising. It's above the EMA 17, and it's above the uptrend line as of now, sitting at 124.94, and it did touch the high point of previous resistance 126.45. And the low touch point last week was 122.68. So let's see on a 4-hour chart. As you see that I am on a bearish for USD dollar, US dollar. So for GBP USD I'll be bullish. So let's see on a 4-hour chart how I have done it. On a 4-hour chart, it's if you see carefully, if on a 4-hour chart it's coming down, it looks like in a downtrend, and it's below EMA 17 for 4-hour chart, but still my take on GBP USD will be towards the north. So if it crosses 126.45, that's the pretty old resistance for us, and then I'll test this value of 126.86, then I'll make my entry at 126.86.87, and keeping first target at 128.62, second target at 130.55. On the reverse side, if it drops below 121.70 and makes a test at 121.38, then I'll make my entry at 121.38, first target at 119.76 and second target at 117.32. So that's for GBP USD. On USD CAD on a daily time frame, we see that it's as of now rising a little bit above the downtrend line, and certainly above the EMA 17. Looks like it'll be going up, but as my take on USD is on the reverse side, on the negative side. So let's see on a 4-hour chart. As of now, it's sitting at 140.89. right, and it's continuously testing 141.17, and a previous low point was earlier support of 138.51. So on a 4-hour chart, it's currently showing that it's rising, and it's broken the downtrend line, and it's above the EMA for EMA 17, currently sitting at 140.90. So but my take on USD dollar is on the bearish side. So what I'll do is I'll check whether it tests 139.90. So if it makes crosses 140, then I'll make my entry 139.93, and with the first target 139.37 and second target at 138.63, keeping right above the old support. And if it starts rising, then I'll wait for till it makes the first test at 141.70 and right above the old support. So I'll make my entry at 141.70, 141.69, and keeping first target at 142 and second target at 142.65. For USD Japanese yen, it did a brief fall, and then it's rising. It's hovering between 109.35 and 106.34 in the last 2 weeks. So as of now, it's below the EMA 17, showing on a daily time frame. It's showing a downtrend. On a 4-hour chart, as my bias on USD dollar is bearish, so I expect that it might touch 107 and then it will drop further to cross 106.57. If it crosses 106.60 and makes a test at 106.57, that will be my entry point, and I'll make my first target at 106.36, right above the previous support, and the second target at 106.06. On the reverse side, if it goes above, crosses the resistance of 107.30, then I'll make my, and certainly we should check whether it makes the test at a successful test at 107.40, then I'll make my entry at 107.40, going towards first target 107.68 and second target at 107.94. For Kiwi USD, so all in all, Kiwi USD. Alright traders, that's all from me for this week. You can get analysis, entries and exits on more pair at surplusforex.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please like, subscribe and share the video, and huge thanks to all the current participants who like, subscribe and share. For those who are new to Forex and now can get more information on trading Forex market from this book, I named it Forex Must-Haves. or by visiting website or surplusforex.com. I wish you all wonderful weekend and profitable trading in the week ahead, and see you next time.